What's up guys, here in Vail, Colorado for the GoPro Mountain Games. I am excited to show you everything that I was able to catch. I was here for 3 days. You've got the slackline, the trickline, kayaking, paddleboarding, whitewater rafting, bouldering, 5K, 10K runs, mountain biking, all kinds of fun stuff. They even have a mud fun run for families. Plus, you've got my personal favorite, Dogtown. So let's get started. Hope you guys like what you see. Be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot in moving towards getting the channel monetized. All right, let's go. One of my favorite things about the GoPro Mountain Games is the atmosphere. Everybody here is just chill, having a good time. It's all about fitness and enjoying the great outdoors.
Doesn't quite stay in the feature, so he's going to lose just a few seconds. He's able to stay nice and high up here. Doesn't take a lot of time to regain the feature. Beautiful air loop. Pascal coming out of Utah. Nice Space Godzilla to the right. That's 1/2 front flip, 1/2 cartwheel. And he does it the other way. That would be a Space Godzilla to the left. Ooh, getting over here to the tricky shoulder, very soft, but doing a good job. Oh, and a little bubble just surges. Sometimes the river just is not so forgiving, but 10 seconds gives Pascal plenty of time to add to his scorecard. Right now, he looks like the person to beat. 106 lining up, maybe that McNasty. Pascal looking fired up here. That first
speed walking today, day 2 of the GoPro Mountain Games, because I am running late, and in true Kara fashion, I'm having to speed walk to the speed climbing. Maybe the good Lord is just giving me a taste of how fast these folks have to go. But anyway, I'm hoping to see Zach Hammer and Emma Hunt. USA Climbing is here, Canada, Japan, and I am pumped. But I've got quite a ways to walk to get all the way to the back to the speed wall. Here we go.